Hey, everybody. This is the Computer Crusader. And today, we're going to discuss something that is very recent. I can't believe I actually did not mention it in my podcast episode. Episode 1. I mentioned all kinds of stuff. By the way, check that video out if you haven't already. It is exceptional. Talked about all kinds of stuff in that video. Talked about John McAfee, Intel again. But anyways, today we're going to talk about a new product by the people who created one of my favorite browsers. Actually, I might go so far as saying it is my favorite browser. Brave Search is the product we are highlighting today, and it's Brave's answer to Google, which is truly exceptional. Now, the reason why they created Brave was noticed that a lot of these other privacy search engines, so-called, like, DuckDuckGo and StartPage uses Google's indexing. It uses Google search index. So pretty much it has the exact same results as Google, except StartPage is supposed to be more private, like a more private Google. But as you can see right here, Brave actually built their own search index, which is very cool. Let's give it a try right now. Let's just try searching something. Let's just say Lego, if I can spell. Okay, and as you can see, that's what the drop-down menu looks like. So yeah, as you can see right here, it still has what you would typically expect of a search engine. Up at the top, you got the bar right here that says, all search for images, news, video, whatever, info, feedback. And keep in mind, this is still in beta right here. This is actually still a beta product. It is not officially, they do not officially have a stable release yet. But, so far, I've been using it as my default for a couple weeks now or so. And hey, listen, this is killer right here. Okay, see, and this is their default index that they got, the index, and this is what we're on right now. So, and of course they have the Wikipedia like pop out side area right over here, that if it's a well-known thing, this will appear over here. Like, for example, if we searched PewDiePie, okay, shout out to PewDiePie, he's very good. Go ahead and subscribe to him if you haven't already. But, alright, again, the internet is pretty crappy here, so I do apologize. HughesNet, more like Hughes No. Alright. So right here, see, he's pretty famous, so he gets his own thing right here as well. Alright, and then, see, the videos, it'll pretty much pull, if they have a YouTube channel, it'll pretty much pull from the YouTube channel. Okay? Instagram, whatever. First thing that comes up is YouTube channel. That's what you would expect, right? That's what you would expect to be looking for when you search PewDiePie, because that's pretty much how an index works. At the top is the search results most relevant to your search that you put in the bar. Okay. So yeah. Alright. Very cool. And as you can see, they still give you the option to see what the results would be from other major search engines if you can't really find what it is that you're looking for with Brave's index. Alright, and then of course, you just click this, you can go back to the home page of the search engine. Very cool. See how snappy that is? It's been working fine for me so far, so Even though it's beta, I think it's real good. But now what you're probably asking is, hey, Alan, I really like Brave Search. But how can I set it as my default search engine? Well, I'm going to tell you that right now. You go right over here to the upper right. 3 horizontal bars right here, which is the menu pullout. Now, I'm actually using an extension right here called Dark Reader, which is why, even though it's technically on daylight for the theme, it shows dark because I have Dark Reader on. By the way, all my extensions I will cover in a future video, so keep on the lookout for that. But yeah, of course, right here you get your quick settings. You could change the theme, day, night, coming soon. So this is why it's a beta feature. Apparently when it gets a stable release, it's going to allow you to change languages. But yeah, so to set it as default, you would just come right here, set as default. Now I've already completed it since I'm in Brave. But you would just click on this. It should say set as default, same as this in the button. You would just click on that if you're in Brave and it will automatically do it for you. But if you're in Chrome or Firefox, another browser, you might have to go through a few extra steps. Actually, let's do that right now. Alright guys, so I'm in Firefox right now. So let's go ahead right over here and pull up the Brave search engine website. Again, if I could spell. Sorry, this is a new setup I got right now. I just car went by. Sorry about that, guys. But this is a new setup I got right now. I got this my old 32-inch television as my second monitor, so that's pretty cool. But okay. There we go. Okay, so again, I got Dark Reader on here as well. But yes, so right here, if you want to set it as default, see, it will show right here, set default. You would go right there, and then for Firefox, it will pull up this page right here that says make Brave search default in Firefox. Now let's go through that real quick. So you would click the 3 dot, that's interesting. This is not, hold on just a second. Okay, that is not no. Sorry about this, guys. This is actually not the correct, this is not the correct, instructions to go and, do it. So that I don't understand right now. Hold on. Yeah, this is not, hold on. What the heck? No, this ain't. Okay, I might have to be in a regular screen for this. Sorry about this, guys. Let me close this and I'll get back. That is very strange now that Brave doesn't give me the option to do the 3 lines right here like it said it would. But alright, let's give this a try on Vivaldi then, which is a Chromium based browser. It's another one of those like the Brave browser. But yeah, we'll go ahead and try it on that next. Alright guys, so I'm here in Vivaldi now, ready to test out the Brave search engine and set it as default in Vivaldi. So again, you would come over to the top right, 3 dots, 3 lines, Again, set as default, click that. Now, let's let it load. Okay. See, now this is going to give you the instructions for, yeah, we would pretty much just follow these instructions right now on any Chrome browser, Google Chrome, Vivaldi, like I said, Opera, if you actually use that. Yeah, it's kind of cringe, but alright, anyways, so what we would just go ahead and do is we would right click in this URL bar, or hold on, we would have to go back to the search.brave.com page right here. Then we would right click and say, okay, what is going on with this thing? Why is it not showing me? Unless we go right here and say, unless we would go to our, in Vivaldi, the bottom left, which is settings, and we would go to, let's see, address bar, no, search. Alright, then we would go back to this page right here, find search.brave.com. Well, how about this? We would go right here in Vivaldi. Add search engine. Let's name it Brave Search. URL. HTTPS. Follow along with me, guys. Search.brave.com. And we would go in the suggest URL, search.brave.com. And right here, you would click this, set as default search. And now we have Brave Search available as our default search. So let's go ahead and try this right now. Right here. Okay. Let's go over here. Instead of that, let's go ahead right here and say YouTube. Okay, I mean that just loads up search.brave.com. Okay, well either way, these browsers seem to be acting up on me. I don't understand why. Okay, this might be the reason why it's in beta phase, because these things aren't working out for me correctly as I thought they were, or as the instructions said. But, yeah. Anyways, it still is the best browser so far as I've been concerned, and for as long as I've been using it, it's exceptional. Gives me all the results I need, whatever. Anyways, if none of those options work, you can always just go to the search.brave.com in your URL and just bookmark the page. And yeah. Or you could go over to your settings and set it as homepage. Let's actually show you how to do that right now. For Vivaldi, bottom left, settings. Homepage, you would click this specific page and just say, instead of quant, we're going to do search.brave.com. Okay, and you're done. See, look, and now when I click on homepage, look at what it goes to. Search.brave.com. There you go. You can also do that as well. But, yeah. So, alright guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Was about this Brave search engine. the best search engine in my personal opinion. I used to use Startpage before this. It was actually very good, but it used Google's index, which made it not as private as they said they were. A little bit of faux privacy right there. But anyways, guys, thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And share this with a friend if you think it was a great thing, a great video. Again, check out my podcast episode. We air every Thursday, 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, on both YouTube and Spotify. I'm working on getting it, like I mentioned before, I'm working on getting this podcast to Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and I might work on getting it into SoundCloud as well. So that'll be coming up soon. Alright, again, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.